Good morning students, my name is Kavita Bausa. I am going to take science in class 8. Total chapter we are having 18, from that 1 to 9 in term 1 and 10 to 18 in term 2. Let's start with our chapter number 1, crop production and management. Now students, you must be knowing what is farming. Right? Everybody must have heard the word farming in your smaller sections. But now we are going towards a higher class, so we will learn new terms. Right? So farming, the other name of farming is agriculture. Agriculture is the cultivation of animals, plants and other living things in order to produce food and other products used to sustain human life. Now what is the meaning of this definition? एग्रीकल्चर क्या होता है बच्चों? शायद आपने सुना होगा, लेकिन छोटे क्लासेस में आपने वो शब्द को फार्मिंग के हिसाब से आपने वो सुना होगा। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे एग्रीकल्चर क्या है। एग्रीकल्चर मीन्स to grow crops, right? Now it is not just like that to grow only plants, right? Agriculture is a function. Agriculture also can be done for animals and other food products, right? Now you must have seen farmers. They are growing crops also and they are keeping cattle also in their farms. Now why they are keeping cattle? They are not just having only one cattle. For example, ox, bullock, buffalo, cow, but they are having many. Now why they are having more than that? Because that animals are used in farming also. You must have seen in olden days people were using bullocks to plow the field, but in today's generation they are using tractors, right children? So children, why they are keeping animals? There is also one reason for that we are going to learn. Now farmers are growing plants, right? So after the plants, the crops are grown, right? When the crops are removed, the grass is left over. That grasses are eaten by that cattle and that cattle will give milk and that milk farmer is selling, right? And they are earning money. So they both are interrelated. Now our country is an agricultural country. You know that children, 70% of our population is dependent on agriculture. The main occupation of India is agriculture. India is also called as agricultural country. So the term agriculture is clear with you, right? Now we are moving on to second part. Now in agriculture we are growing crops. Now what is crops children? That we are going to learn. Crops. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated in one place on large scale, it is called as crops. Now children, in field you must have seen, in so many acres of land you will see a single type of crop, right? So that is called as crop. Now why it is called as crop? Because in the large area they are growing a single crop in a vast quantity. For example, crop of wheat means that all the plant grown in the field are of wheat only. You will never see that in some part they are growing rice, some part they are growing wheat, some part they are growing maize. No, whole field they are growing wheat only. So that particular field is growing a single type of crop, right? So clear with it, what is crop? Now we will move on to second part, agricultural practices. Now see, agriculture requires so many skills, so many practices. Without that, crops cannot be grown. The different practices done in agricultural crop is known as agricultural practice. Means the different methods what they are using for growing crops is called as agricultural practice. There are types of crops also. Children, you must have seen in different seasons we are getting different fruits, different vegetables, different types of eatables, right children? Now how they are getting that? We are having types of crops to explain that. So we are having two types of crops called Kharif crop and Rabi crops. This you must have heard before. So now we are going to learn little bit in details. Kharif crop. Crops which are sown in rainy season from June to September is called as Kharif crop. Now you know that we are having three main seasons, right? Rainy season, winter season and summer season. So Kharif crops are grown from June to September. For example, we are having rice and cotton and maize. Okay. Now these crops are grown in particular season like from June to September. Why? Because this type of crop requires more water. So rainy season can fulfill the need of water which is required by this type of crop. So we have learned about Kharif crops. Now Rabi crops. Rabi crops are crops which are grown in winter season from October to March. Right children? Again Rabi crops which are grown in winter season from October to March are called Rabi crops. Now why they are called as Rabi crops children? Because in winter season we don't have rains. But this type of crops they require less amount of water. And another thing children, in winter you must have seen that dew drops are found on the soil, on the leaves, right? So that moisture can help these types of crops to grow well. For example, we are having wheat, grams and peas. So children, today we have learned about what is agriculture, what is crop, types of agriculture practices and types of crops. So we will continue in our next session about the agriculture in further class. Thank you children.